avoid panic selling. Always have a target of when you want to sell. Today we shall be looking at some of the things that you need to do if you want to make some profits while you're doing crypto. So guys, stay with me as I take you on this journey of the things that you need to be doing if you want to make some money while trading crypto in 2024. One of the things that you need to do is stop panic buying. Just because you see a coin going up and it's in a green trend does not mean that you should jump on the bandwagon and start buying, because you never know, maybe it's a rug pull. Panic buying is when someone sees a coin going up when it's in green and decides to purchase without knowing the direction of the coin. I mean, it's a 50-50. Sometimes you can really make some good money out of it, but most of the times it's always a loss. So unless you've made your research and you know the real trend of this coin, I don't think that you should be buying while you're panicking. Some coins will go up in 24 hours by 25%, and the next day they'll be down by 40%, and this will leave you at a loss. So this is one of the things that you need to avoid doing if you want to make some profits while trading crypto. And the next thing that you need to do is avoid panic selling. Just like panic buying that we've looked at it, panic selling is when someone sees a coin dropping. It might be dropping by a small percentage, or maybe it's dropping by a big percentage, and then the person decides to sell because they are unaware of the coin's future. Remember from the last video that I made about crypto trading, I told you guys to always invest that sum of money that you can afford to lose. If you invest a sum of money that you can afford to lose, that way you will not be panicking to sell just because you see a coin dropping. By saying that, avoid using your tuition, your rent, car note, or even taking out loans to invest in crypto. Because crypto is so volatile, unlike stocks, crypto can literally go down by 90% in just a few seconds. So whenever you're thinking about trading crypto, always invest a sum of money that you can afford to lose. And another thing that you need to do if you want to make profits doing crypto trading, you should learn to do your own research. Learn to do your own research. Don't just put your money into a coin because you've seen it on Twitter trending and you think that you can just make a couple millions overnight. It does not work that way. Even those that have made huge sums of money, they will tell you that they first made their research before putting a certain sum of money into a coin. So this is one of the most important factors that you should always focus on when you're trading crypto. Always make your research. Stop buying random meme coins on Twitter just because someone, maybe they've used bots to promote a coin and you end up putting in your money that will be taken through a rug pull. So always make your research before investing in a certain coin. So guys, those are some of the 3 things that you should do if you want to make profits when you're trading crypto in 2024 or even the next year, 2025. And another thing that you should be doing is always keeping your crypto wallet safe. Remember, your crypto wallet is your bank. If you don't keep it safe, you will lose your funds and your investment. This means that if you have your wallet on your phone, avoid opening links that you don't know where they're coming from, and avoid tapping on addresses in your crypto wallet that you don't know where they've come from. If you don't know the wallet address, don't send any crypto on it or even tapping on it. Just ignore it, because many people have lost millions because they opened links that were compromised. So if you want to safeguard your crypto wallet, avoid opening links that you don't know where they've come from. By saying this, make sure that you have a 2-factor authentication on your crypto wallet so that you can keep your funds and your investment safe. And lastly, unless you want to hold that coin for life, learn when you need to sell. Crypto trading means the buying and selling of crypto coins. And if you want to make a profit, you have to sell. So unless you have a certain coin that you want to hold until maybe it goes up and make a big profit, you should know when to sell and know when to buy again. Because if you just leave your money sit in there, you will not be making any profits unless you are looking at a long-term project. So unless it's a long-term project of a coin that you don't want to sell maybe in 2 years, For others that you feel like you just want to be buying and selling, always have a target of when you want to sell so that you can buy again, sell at a profit, and then buy another one and do the same thing recurring, and that way you will be able to make profits when you're crypto trading. So guys, that was all for today. If you found this video useful, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up so that you don't miss any new videos that will be coming up. Thanks for watching and see you next time.